I'm Angela with Angela Wolf Video, and I'm here with a quick tip on how to make your Zoom calls look a little nicer. Today's tip is all about your eye line, which is where your eyes are looking during your video. Now, for Zoom videos, that means you're looking into the camera. We want something that's neutral, where you are looking just straight ahead. Now, because a lot of us are using just laptops on top of our dining room table for our Zoom calls, this is what we're getting. Yeah, you're looking right up my nose, and it's really unflattering, and it's very distracting for everyone watching the video and talking with you. So, to best mitigate this, I suggest getting a bunch of books, either cookbooks, thick books that you've been reading, just pile them up on your table, put your laptop on top of them until your camera is going to be at the same level as your eyes if you're just looking straight ahead. That way it's going to be a more flattering image for you, and it's also just going to be a lot less distracting for anyone who's watching the video. So that is my quick tip for today to give you a little bit more of a natural look while you're on your Zoom calls.